What if I told you the battery powering your future car starts its journey as plain dirt? Not in a lab, not in a factory, but deep inside the earth. And what happens next is almost unbelievable. This is the hidden journey of an EV battery, from deep underground to powering your drive. And trust me, it's way more insane than you think. Everything begins with lithium, cobalt, and nickel, mined from deserts, mountains, and remote lands across the world. But here's the catch. What comes out of the ground is useless for a battery. So how does useless rock become pure energy? These materials go through intense refining, crushed, heated, purified, until they become battery-grade chemicals. Now comes the real magic. Inside ultra-clean, dust-free factories, cleaner than a hospital, scientists and machines work together at insane precision. First, a thin metal sheet, usually copper or aluminum, is coated with thin layers of materials, anode and cathodes. Then, these coated sheets are dried, pressed flat, and cut into perfect layers. Now, here's the cool part. These layers are stacked or rolled tightly, almost like a Swiss roll. Between them, a super thin separator, so thin you can barely see it. But it stops the battery from short-circuiting while still letting energy flow. Next, everything is sealed inside a metal case. Liquid electrolyte is added, and suddenly, this tiny unit can store energy. But not just yet. Each cell is charged for the very first time in a process called formation. This step actually activates the battery chemistry, turning it from a simple structure into a living energy cell. And just like that, you've created the smallest building block of an EV battery. Here's where it gets powerful. Thousands of cells are packed together into modules, then into one giant battery pack. Add cooling systems, sensors, and smart software. And now you've got the brain and heart of an EV. Finally, giant battery pack is ready to installed into electric vehicles. But can it survive real life? These batteries are tested in extreme heat, freezing cold, and brutal conditions. Because if it fails, the car fails. From raw earth to precision engineering, an EV battery is one of the most advanced things humans make. And now you know, your future car isn't just electric, it's a story of transformation. Want to know how long these batteries last? And what happens when they die? Watch the next video. It might shock you.